Hi kindergarten, it's Flower Week. Today's exercise, we're gonna work on estimating. Do you remember what estimating is? We worked on it all year. All right, good job. Estimating is making a hypothesis, making an educated guess. All right, we are going to estimate how many flowers are in my bowl here. To complete this activity, you're going to need this paper from your parents. So if you don't have it, pause the video, go get your paper, and come on back. All right, you're back. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and Elle, can you zoom in on my flowers here, please? Kindergarten, I want you to go ahead and estimate, make a guess how many flowers you think are in my bowl. If you need to pause the video to go back and look at the picture again, go ahead and do that. You take your time. All right, did you come up with your guess? Okay, so you're gonna go on over to our paper here. In the flower, I want you to write your guess right here. Write your guess, okay? On number 1, in the middle of that flower, write your guess. Great job. All right, let me get bowl number 2. All right, here's bowl number 2. Make an estimated guess, estimate how many flowers are in bowl 2. Write down your estimated guess right here, how many flowers you think are in the bowl. Don't worry about the tally mark box yet, we're not there yet. So you're just estimating right now, you're just estimating. Write down your number, show it one more time, Elle. Write down your number, how many you think are in there. Okay, we're gonna do number 3, bowl number 3. Okay, let's go ahead and estimate how many flowers are in bowl number 3. All right, go ahead and look at bowl number 3. Estimate how many flowers are in there, and then write your estimation right here in the number 3. All right, good job. We'll be back with number 4. All right, kindergarten, we are on bowl number 4. So go ahead, you're on number 4 here. Go ahead and estimate how many flowers are in bowl number 4. Estimate how many flowers. Write that number down in the middle of your number 4. Did you get that number? All right, let's get ready for number 5. Bowl number 5. Here we go. Estimate how many flowers you think are in bowl number 5 and write your answer in the middle of your flower on your sheet. Okay, here we go. And if you need to pause the video and go back and look at our bowl, because that was awfully quick, go ahead and pause it. Ellie, zoom back in just so they can get another little look. Okay, good. Go ahead, estimate, write that on number 5. Get ready for number 6. Bowl number 6, here we go. Estimate how many flowers are in bowl number 6. And then write your answer in the middle of your flower on number 6. Good job. Get ready for number 7. Bowl number 7. Let's see how many we're going to estimate are in bowl number 7. This one's a little tricky because they're all the same color. Make your estimate. Write your number in the middle of the flower on number 7. Write it down. Great job. We'll be back. This is our last bowl. Go ahead for number 8 and estimate how many flowers you think are in bowl number 8. Write down your estimate. Write down the guess that you estimated right here in the middle of the flower. All right, get ready to do some math. You ready? I gotta get bowl number 1 out and I'll be right with you. Okay, we are now going to record our answers. Now we have to count how many flowers were in each bowl. In each flower you estimated. Next to it, it's going to tell you either to use tally marks to record the answer, or you're going to have to use the tens frames to fill in the answers. All right, this is bowl number 1. You're going to count how many flowers are in bowl number 1. Let's do the first one together. All right, here we go. Bowl number 1. I'm gonna lay all of our flowers out. Okay, here we go. Let's count how many flowers we had in bowl number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bowl number 1 had 7 flowers in it. So I'm going to, on the tally mark part, I'm going to record my answer using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross on 5, 6, 7. That is how many it took in the first bowl. Okay, does your estimated guess have to be correct? No, it doesn't. You were just estimating to see how many were in there. So now we know the exact answer. Okay, let's get to bowl number 2. Bowl number 2, I'm not going to record the answer here. You're going to have to do that on your own, and I'm not going to count our flowers. You're going to have to count them on your own, but I will take them out so you know how many. All right, here we go. All right, using tally marks, I want you to show me how many were actually in the bowl. Right here on number 2. Show me how many were actually in the bowl. Bowl number 3, here we go. Get ready to count them. Did you see that little one in there? He kind of snuck in there. Count how many were in bowl number 3. Use tally marks and record it right here. Go ahead and do that now. All right, bowl number 4. Here we go. Let's see how many were in there. This one's going to be a little different because they're attached. So we're going to count them this way. All right, so this one fell off. So count 1, 2. Let's see if I can do it this way. Can you get those in there, Ellie, all separated like that? Maybe that'll be easier for the boys and girls since they can't touch them and I can point to them. Did you get that? If you didn't get that, go back and watch the video again. Usually this is easier because you're able to touch them and separate them, but you can do it. I know you can, okay? Write your answer down in tally marks. Moving on, number 5. You ready? This one looks like it has a lot. Let's see how many this one has. All right, let's get them out for you. That's a pretty big one. Red, oh, my favorite color. All right, there you go. Count those out. And now in number 5, you're going to record those on the tens frame. So count how many we have, record them on the tens frame, and remember, you start on the corner on the left, go across, and then back down to the one underneath it if it's more than 5. Okay, let's see how many are in bowl number 6. Bowl number 6, here we go. This one's easy. You guys will count that in lickety-split time. All right, go ahead and show me that number on the tens frame. Show me that number. That's an easy one. Let's get to number 7. Bowl number 7, let's see how many flowers were in bowl number 7. Here we go. We're gonna lay all of these out for you. All right. Wow, there's a lot in this bowl. Oh my goodness. I hope you are able to count all of these. All right, we'll give you a second. That's a lot of them. Go ahead and count those, kindergarten. And then you're going to record them on the tens frame. That's a lot. If you need to count them again, pause the video and go ahead and count them. record that number on your tens frame. Okay, moving on to our last one. Here we go. Last bowl number 8. Let's see how many are in bowl number 8. Alrighty, our last one together. Oh my goodness, that one's easy. You'll be able to show me that on the tens frame lickety split. That one goes right here on this last tens frame. Kindergarten, nice job counting, nice job estimating. I can't wait to see if your number that you estimated is close to the real answer. It's okay if it's not. You were just estimating. You were just guessing. And I'm sure you guys are very close. Can't wait to see this. Have a great afternoon. If it is nice weather this week, it's kind of yucky with the rain. Maybe we'll get some sun, maybe a little snippet. Get outside and play and go find all the fresh flowers that Jesus has given us. Love you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.